Today, we're counting down the top 5 best cordless drills on the market. We'll cover everything from power, battery life, and ease of use, so stick around to find out which one is right for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Black Plus Decker 20V Max Powerconnect Cordless Drill. You might be familiar with Black Plus Decker for their appliances and household equipment, but they also offer power tools at an affordable price. If you're looking for a cordless drill that isn't too costly, but still can perform all the key functions of a more expensive option, this Black Plus Decker model is the right one for you. This drill offers all the features you need, including 24 different clutch positions, a design that provides more grip and comfort, and a helpful drill bit set with the most common bits. Although Black Plus Decker power tools may not have the reputation of competitors like DeWalt, Makita, or Milwaukee, these versatile drills are sure to work for most of the jobs that you have around the house. For projects like hanging pictures, drilling holes, or assembling furniture, this drill will do the job. However, if one of your projects includes drilling through hardwood or concrete, you'll be better off with one of the other choices on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the Bosch 12V Max drill driver with 5-in-1 Flexiclick system. Working in tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas is always a pain, especially when you're trying to drill or fasten screws. In these situations, a small and compact drill makes a difference. When researching small drills, we found the Bosch 12V Max drill driver to be the best option for these kinds of jobs. This tiny yet clever tool has plenty of helpful features, including its small size 5.2 inches long, weight of less than 2 pounds, ability to deliver 265 pounds of power, and LED light. Plus, it comes with 4 easy-to-change attachments, including a right angle, a rotational, a one-click, and a standard chuck attachment. All of these attachments make working in nearly inaccessible spaces an easier task. This cordless drill isn't as affordable as some of the other contenders on our list, but the benefits and features of a drill like this make it a worthwhile investment. Whether you're a professional construction worker or a homeowner, a tool like this is good to own. At number 3, we have the Workpro 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set. An extra battery and a fast charger are a plus when working for extended periods. Most cordless drills already come with a charger, but it's not necessarily a fast charger designed to help revive the battery more quickly. Compared with other cordless drills on our list, the Workpro 20V Max is the only one with a fast charger. The fast charger included with the drill allows the battery to charge in an hour. Other chargers on our list can take more than an hour to charge their batteries. The other factors that make this cordless drill stand out are the 3 different settings available for fastening, boring holes, and impact drilling, along with the drill's 21 speeds and 2.0Ah batteries. In addition, it comes with a drill driver set that includes 102 pieces. It's like a mini toolbox with essential hand tools and drill bits. Though it's not as compact as its counterparts on this list, this is a practical and smart unit to have, especially for new homeowners. Number 2 on our list is the Craftsman V20 Cordless Inch Drill Driver Kit. For a cordless drill that is efficient and affordable, I recommend the Craftsman V20 Cordless Inch Drill Driver Kit. It doesn't have the same oomph as other 18V or 20V drills and comes with a small 1.3Ah battery pack. But it has an inch chuck to accommodate a larger drill bit and completed every challenge in my tests, including the tough task of burying a 5-inch lag bolt into a 6-inch thick piece of lumber. It has a brushed motor with a limited max speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute. So it's not a huge surprise that it completed tasks more slowly than other drills I tested. But for its $79 MSRP, it's hard to beat the value and versatility of this Craftsman model. This cordless drill fits well in the hand, but it's not as compact as other picks. Specifically, it has a larger head and longer handle that make it less useful for accessing tight spaces. There's generous use of plastic components and no metal chuck at this price, but I still think that there's sufficient grip around the chuck, and it's easy to insert and secure a drill bit. It's capable enough for projects around the house, but it's not the best pick for heavy-duty tasks since it has limited speed and battery life. And finally, our number 1 pick is the DeWalt DCD800E2 20V Max XR Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCD800E2 20V test impressed us on every single front. It's incredibly powerful, feels great in the hand, and nothing we threw at it would slow it down. We mean it while other drills struggled through the driving test and were bogged down by the demanding drill test. The DeWalt didn't break a sweat. It flew through the drilling test, drilling 54 holes before its 1.7Ah 20V battery died. Not once did it get warm or slow down. During the screw driving test, it quickly drove 203-inch screws and still had 2/3 bars illuminated on the battery meter with no sign of slowing down. The LED light was miles better than any other drill we tested. First, it was the only light with a 3-way adjustable position, allowing you to aim it directly upward at the bit, straightforward or in between. Second, it was the only multifunctional LED light, featuring an off position, a standard position, and a 20-min position, which brightens the light significantly and keeps it shining for 20 full minutes. This was very helpful for projects like changing lawnmower blades and adjusting the cabinet door because we could set the drill to the side as a work light and adjust the brightness and position to illuminate the area. Lastly, this dual drill was the most comfortable, balanced drill to hold throughout all the testing. The ergonomics of the handle are far better engineered than the competition, making it easy to hold for any hand size. So, there you have it. Our top 5 picks for the best cordless drills. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tool reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.